Fine. Welcome to the next video lecture. Now, good that most of you are sending through WhatsApp. So I request all the students to do so, because later on there might be a problem. So that your mail does not reach me, and so that you can get your justice to your assignment. Please send it through mail. And please convert it into PDF file and send it to me. Please write your name, roll number and section. Okay. Now, today let us do question number 16. Now, let us first understand the problem. What is the problem? A carpenter prepares a chair in 3 days. He's preparing a chair in 3 days, working 8 hours a day. He's working 8 hours a day. So, at least how many hours per day must he work in order to make a chair in 4 days? So, in order to make a chair in 4 days. So, suppose let me explain this question in example way. In 3 days, they are working so they are making 100 chairs. A chair, we don't know how many chairs are they making, but they are making. Let us assume that they are making 100 chairs in 3 days, working 8 hours a day. So now suppose they want to make 100 chairs in 4 days. So how many hours they have to work? Now let us understand the question. What is this, direct or indirect? Yes, it is indirect. Why? Because in 3 days they are working 8 hours, right? In 4 days, what did it increase? A day has increased, right? So 1 day. It was 3, it become 4 days, right? From 3 days, it's becoming 4 days. So what will decrease? What increase or decrease? The hour will decrease. So it's a indirect method. Okay. Now, a chair is completed in 3 days, working 8 hours. All right. A chair is completed in 4 days, working per day is X. Got my point? Or is there any confusion here? In 3 days, they are working for 8 hours. For 4 days, how many hours will they work? So what type of method is this? Direct or indirect? Indirect. So if it is indirect, let us do the rough work here. So 3 by 4 equals X by 8. So let us do cross multiplication. 3 into 8 divided by 4 equals to X. So this is 2. So X equals to 6. So how many hours will they work? 6 hours. So in 4 days they will work 6 hours. Is there any problem? Please check it. Okay, this is your rough work. So answer is this much. Okay, thank you class. So let us go to question number 17. Okay, a man earns 5,800 in 10 days. In 10 days, how much is one earning? He is earning 5,800, right? How much will he earn in the month of February of a leap year? So how many days are there in a leap year? Yes, correct. That is 29 days. So in a leap year, there are 29 days. So the same problem which we did. So in 10 days, he's earning how much? 5,800. So how much will he earn in 29 days? So what type of method is this? Direct or indirect? Yes, it is direct method. Okay. Now, man earns in 10 days is this much. So man earns in a leap year of a February is 29 days, right? So whatever method is this, direct method. So let us do 10 upon 29 equals 5,800 divided by X. Is there any problem? No. So let us do cross multiplication. So he earns in the month of this in February is 5800 into 29 coming on top, 10 coming down, right? So let us do this and this cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply. So I have 0 cancel, so sorry, so this and this gets cancelled, so I'll do it here only. 0 is there, so total value is 2861. So he earns this much of rupees in this is year of, so he'll earn this much. Okay, please note it down. Okay, I'll do one more. Okay, 19 you try, 18 will do it. All right.